We're about to find out a new hidden talent of Cristiano Ronaldo's.
I suspect not, but I think it'll be noisy.
The sweet, sweet sounds of success. He got the beat bang on, to be fair to him. He's going to go down in history, isn't he, at this football club, for what he's done for the whole league, a trailblazer. They wondered, didn't they, a week ago, whether they were going to catch sight of that trophy. And then they were made to wait.